The next thing I do is manual data validation. I do it by opening the data in Microsoft Excel. I select to have a look at all files so I can see the ASCII file. Usually it will not have the Excel icon. I open it. It's a delimited file, so I select delimited and next, and it's tab delimited, and I just open it. Now I select all the data range in my measurements, not the number of beans or the flag, and I plot it using a scatter plot. I use the points because it's more obvious, and for each series I plot it on the secondary axis, and I just have a quick look on it. What I'm looking for, first of all, is that my values are valid. Let's say an oxygen concentration in the winter in the Eastern Mediterranean of 150 micromole per liter is unacceptable. You can't see it. We don't have it here, and actually anywhere in the ocean it would be hard to find such concentrations. So, and it's true, I know my oxygen sensor is bad, so I remove all of the oxygen data. I just delete it, and then I can go on to the next series, which is salinity, and it ranges 38.78 to 38.786, which is actually also very low for us, but it's acceptable. And I know I had a lot of rain in the period before my sampling. And one other thing I look at is that I don't have any unusual values, and I don't see any. So I just remove this series from the plot, and I go on to the next one, temperature, let's say. Looks okay. There's almost no signal in there, such as I had in the salinity values. So I can go on to the next one. This is OBS, and you can see it's all over the place, but the values are very low, so it makes sense. And the chlorophyll values, which are actually quite high, but they seem consistent, and I tend to accept them again because there was huge flux of nutrients to the water in the days before the sampling. And this is it. I'm ready for the next step.